Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about the physical aging dilemma. I'm talking about the fact that women age faster than men physically. What is it about age? Are you new to my channel? Please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. Yes, to book a counseling session, go to noraarake.com/booking, and to purchase any of our products, go to noraarake.com/shop. Don't forget to follow Faith Peters on Facebook, Faith Peters on Instagram for your clothing, fashion and design needs. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Gentlemen, men, you always complain that your wives are aging faster than you, that your wives have let themselves go, that your wives are old. You wonder if they lied to you about their age. What is it about age? What is it about the physical appearance of a woman that ages so fast more than the man? Some of you married men are the reason why your wives are aging so fast physically, why your wives are full of wrinkles and dampened fallen skin with sunken eyes and black eye circles. How can she hold up when you have placed the weight of the whole world on her shoulders? When you make her cry every night before she sleeps, every day while she does her daily chores, while she goes about her day, she is crying the whole night. She doesn't sleep because of you. She is always stressed. She lives in constant fear that one day you will infect her with a deadly infectious disease. She is responsible for taking care of the home. She is responsible for going out there to look for money like you do. Even if she's at home, she is responsible for very many things: cooking, washing, taking care of the house, cleaning after you, cleaning after the children. She is the mother, she is the wife, she is the nurse, she is the cook, she is the cleaner, she is the plumber, she is the electrician, she is everyone. And all you do is come back home from your work, from chilling with the boys, you sit cross-legged to watch the paper, to watch football, to watch your favorite sport on TV. You don't help her at all, and all you do is to complain and tell her she is not better than them all that are out there. You want your shirts pressed and ironed, and she does that. You want your food hot on the table, and she does that. You want your juice chill and served to you early and on time, and she does that. You want the house clean, she does that. You want the kids nice, looking good and well prepared, and she does that. You want the bedroom sparkling, and she does that. You want everything done on time. What do? She is so busy taking care of your home. When did you last ask her when she will get her nails done? When did you last ask her when her hair will be done? Have you taken her to a spa to get a massage? Have you taken care of her financially? Do you know the needs she has? When did you last take her shopping to change her wardrobe? When did you last care for your wife? When? All you do is demand. All she does is to take care of you, the children and the home. What do? You have let her depreciate. You use your money to take care of those that are outside, the side chicks, because you see them clean and smart, because someone else is injecting money in them because they have no responsibilities like she does, because they have no home to take care of. Maybe they have no kids that are disturbing them. Maybe they have support from you and other men, and you have put all your money invested in them and neglected to take care of your wife. Whenever she asks you for money, you throw tantrums. You ask her very many questions about accountability of the money you last gave her many months back. You are selfish, you are egoistic, you are a narcissist. Tell me, as a husband and father, do you help her with domestic chores? Do you help her with the children? Do you help her financially? The money you use just to have lunch in a single day is the money you give her to feed her and the home. Morning, breakfast, lunch, brunch, supper, everything for her and the children for a week or two. Do you encourage her? When did you last hug her? When did you last compliment her? When did you last make her feel special? When did you last tell her how wonderful she is to be in your life? When she sleeps, do you hold her? When is the last time you bought her a gift? A dress, a shoe, some makeup? When is the last time you cuddled her? Do you have sex with her or you make love to her? Do you do it for your own gratification or for hers as well? What do you do? How do you hold and handle this woman? How much stress are you contributing in her life? How are you treating her? The way you are treating your wife is what's making her age physically at a faster rate. Some of you even hit your wives. You beat them, you kick them, you throw things at them. You abuse your wives emotionally, physically, financially, sexually, to mention but a few. Your wives are so stressed because you have turned them into FBI, CIA agents, because they are always investigating about your cheating, your infidelity. They are not at peace. Do you even pray with your wife? Do you go to church with her? Do you at times kneel with her and pray together? Do you plan with your wife? When is the last time you took your wife out on a date? Out, maybe for a vacation. When is the last time you did that? Listen, gentlemen. Once you change your ways, you are going to watch your wife age gracefully. You are going to watch her change. You are going to watch her grow. You are going to watch her shine. It starts with you. Most of you men, when your wife does the same things you do, it won't even take you a week or a month to leave the home, to run away, to go and marry somewhere else, to go into hiding with a side chick or a sugar mommy, whatever it is. But these wives stay. They are patient with you. By the time a woman decides to leave her marriage, she has been patient for a very long time and the world doesn't know what she's going through. You men won't even be patient for a single week. The moment your wife does something, the whole world knows you are going to die. The whole world knows she's the reason why you're suffering. She's the reason for your heart attack. Just 1 week. But your wife will be patient with you. You cheat, you abuse her physically, you abuse her verbally, you say all those bad things, you abuse her financially, whatever, she will be there years and years and years until she can't take it anymore. Most women won't even leave. Women mostly leave when it's a matter of life and death. Without it, they will stay, hoping that one day you will change. What do? You continue to take her for granted. You continue to abuse her. You continue to destroy her. Listen, behind every woman who ages faster before her age, in front of every woman, besides every woman who ages faster before her age, is an irresponsible, bad-hearted, narcissistic husband. One time I was at my child's school. We had gone for a function there, and an older lady told me, you can tell a married woman who feeds herself, who is too stressed with the husband, just by looking at him. At that time I didn't understand what she meant. But as time went on, I started to see that you can indeed tell. Most irresponsible husbands are stress factors. They are the reason why the women are aging faster, are looking too old. They are not even motivated to work out. They don't have the money to even buy the equipment, buy the nice oils, go for facial treatments, or even purchase products to do them at home. Irresponsible men are the reason. Even if she works, the little money she gets, she puts it on her children, she injects it in the family. She doesn't have enough money to take care of herself because her husband's money is going out to other women, to the bars, to side chicks, and to the ladies. You now know where the world is going. You see where the world is going and where it is. Do something lucrative. Yes, it's not that it's the man to help you with everything all the time. Have something you put into yourself. Get some money. Support him too. If he gives you money for the hair, have money for your nails. You get it? At least do something. Support your husband. It's not that he's supposed to do everything. Yes, there are ladies who earn much more than their men. Inject something into yourself as well. Don't be selfish. He is not there to pay everything for you. You can do some things for yourself. Take care of yourself. Groom yourself. Find the happiness and motivation inside yourself. If he doesn't motivate you, do it yourself. Our system ages faster because of the responsibilities we have. Remember, we are the mothers of the world and the mothers of the nation. I understand many ladies go through a lot, and I pray for you. I understand you and I empathize because I'm a lady as well. I've been through a lot and I know what it means. But try to take care of yourself. If you need any guidance about this, if you need counseling, go to noraarake.com/booking. If you need to purchase any products, go to noraarake.com/shop and place your order. If you need any clothes, dresses, shorts, any well-designed, fashionable attires, go to Faith Peters on Facebook, Instagram. Follow her, inbox her, talk to her. She will sort you out no matter the function, no matter the place, no matter the time. Thank you. I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.